Welcome to Atlanta and Atlanta Somalian soccer players in Game of the Year.
Some big things at stake on the field today. Swedes try to continue to press the attack. Halftime is coming up shortly. Unofficially now, the clock is running to the 45-minute mark. We're into injury time now. Haven't had that many stoppages in the first half. Clearing straight up the field. Entertaining day so far, especially for those following for 45 minutes of play. We've got a shot chart to show you from their first half. Second half kickoff is coming up. Injury time now, almost a minute and a half. And the whistle blows. Does something big in the second half. And there's the young goal scorer, Henry, 22 years old. Well, coming up next, as our coverage continues. On a picture-perfect soccer day.
Love the basic.